Hello everyone, I am Vineet Kumar Sinha from ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this video lecture series, we are discussing materials engineering subject, and in Unit 2, that is phase diagrams. This video is for introduction to the Unit 2, in which all the topics that will be covered under this unit, and it will be covered in my subsequent videos. So the videos on the following topics will be available. First one is alloys and solid solutions. So what are alloys? What are solid solutions? What is the difference between alloys and solid solutions? And what are Hume-Rothery rules of unlimited solid solubility? All these would be covered under alloy and solid solutions. Similarly, the next video would be interpretation of binary phase diagrams. Basically, what are phase diagrams? What are the different terms and terminologies included in studying or interpreting the phase diagrams? What are binary phase diagrams? Then what are isomorphous systems, then eutectic systems, various reactions, invariant reactions like eutectoid, peritectoid, monotectic reactions. All those reactions will be studied in, and the interpretation of few examples like copper nickel will see in the interpretation of binary phase diagrams. In the next topic, the video will be available on iron and iron carbide phase diagram. Why only iron and iron carbide phase diagram is more important for our point of view as material engineers or material scientists, and what are the salient features of iron carbide phase diagrams? What are the phases available? What is the microstructure available in iron carbide system? That we'll get to see. Similarly, in microstructural aspects of phases, we'll analyze the different phases like alpha ferrite, gamma austenite, delta ferrite, and cementite, pearlite, latiborite. All those phases would be studied in detail, and the microstructural aspects would be analyzed. Similarly, in the last, cast iron and high speed steel, we'll see about that cast iron and high speed steel. Thank you.